Number system. In number system, you have explaining the real numbers, rational and irrational number. Okay.
Numbers, any number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P is
You can write.
any rational number that can be expressed in a form of P by Q, where P and Q are both integers and Q is not equals to 0 is called rational number. Note that every rational number, even if it's positive, negative or 0, can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q can be 1. For example, 5 can be 5 upon 1 and minus 7 can be minus 7 upon 1. There are 4 main properties of rational number. If A and B are any two rational numbers, then A plus B is also a rational number. Like,
Means you have to add any rational number, two rational number, the result will be also rational number. You want to say that? Okay.
for example, 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 7 is equals to 7 plus 6, and the LCM will be 13 upon 21. The second property is if A and B are any two rational number, then A minus B is also a rational number, can be a rational number. For example, 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 7. One. 3 and 7's LCM will be 21, and then 1 upon 21 is a rational number. These two, 13 upon 21 and 1 upon 21, they both are rational numbers.
Okay.
The third property is if any A or B are two rational numbers, then A into B is also a rational number and can be a rational number.
Means if you are multiply any two rational number, then result will be also the rational number. If you are addition of two any rational number, then you will get the rational number. If you are subtract the both two rational number, then you will get the rational number. Okay.
This same also goes with divide.
In division also the same property.
Just one difference, Q cannot be 0.
Okay.
For example, 1 upon 3 into 2 upon 7 is equal to 2 upon 21. It's a rational number. And then same goes with the divide. If A and B are any two rational number, then A upon B is also a rational number. For example, and B is not equal to 0. For example, 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 7 is equals to 1 upon 3 into 7 upon 2 upon 6. It's also a rational number, and this is also a rational number.
Okay. Okay. Anybody want to any questions about related to the property of rational number? You want to ask any question? So what are you doing? Means you are not absorbed. Okay, no question. You can.
The next heading is terminating and non-terminating recurring.
Means decimal expansion. Means you are going to tell us about the decimal expansion. In decimal expansion, there are two conditions, types.
Terminating and non-terminating, but recurring.
Okay.
Whenever the remainder becomes 0, it is called a recurring. Whenever, like example, we'll take the ratio number 1 upon 2, then
Okay. This is the terminating or not terminating
it's
decimal?
terminating because the remainder became
0. Okay.
And if the remainder
1 upon 3. I am giving you example 1/3. Tell me the terminating or not terminating.
Explain that this one. It is non-terminating but recurring.
How?
Because the remainder didn't become 0 and the numbers are recurring themselves,
हाँ.
repeating themselves.
Repeating
again and again.
themselves. Same number is recurring ना. So that's why this is the terminating. Not terminating है, not but recurring. Terminate तो कर रहा है लेकिन वो repeat कर रहा है same numbers. Okay. So next. That's all. That's all. Okay भाई clapping करो इनके लिए पहले. अब आप anybody want to ask question?
मेरा भी एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व
हाँ बोलो क्वेश्चन पूछो. टर्म तो आया है क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए ना.
25/3.
So what is your question?
मैम टर्मिनेटिंग नॉट टर्मिनेटिंग.
मेरे को ढूंढना है ना. This is also non-terminating but recurring.
By the way, want to ask any question? No. So, Arya, your explanation was the very good. I think you improved in your presentation compared than the previous. And also, what is this? Stop this. Huh. So, what is your feedback related to the Arya's performance? Tell me.
4.9.
ओके चलो भाई अच्छा है. आपका परफॉर्म वो 4.5 आउट ऑफ 5. ओके चलो भाई मैं आर्या को 4.8 दूंगी. मैं कम दूंगी कि मैं चाहूँगी और इम्प्रूव करो आप. ठीक है आप सही करो. लेकिन पता है मैं स्किप क्यों कर रही हूँ 2 पॉइंट? क्योंकि आप हेडिंग्स भूल जा रहे हो कि कहाँ किस हेडिंग में मैंने बताना आपको. आप एग्जांपल्स तो सभी चीज़ें आप बता रहे सही, लेकिन आप जैसे आपने बताया पहले शुरुआत ही चैप्टर का नंबर सिस्टम है. नंबर सिस्टम में आपको रियल नंबर्स पढ़ने हैं जिसमें रियल नंबर्स 2 टाइप्स जो होते हैं पढ़ते हो. रेशनल ये हाँ कैटेगराइज करके आप बताओ. किसी सामने को समझा रहे हो आपने रेशनल नंबर उठा दिया मतलब ले लिया कहाँ से, जब किसी को पता ही नहीं कि होता क्या ये नंबर सिस्टम का पार्ट है. देन इसके बाद अगर आपने डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन आप बता रहे हो टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, कोई क्या जानेगा क्या होता है टर्मिनेटिंग. डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द रेशनल नंबर ये आपकी पूरी हेडिंग है. देन इसके बाद आप कहोगे उसमें कि 2 तरीके की कंडीशन होती है. इसमें टर्मिनेटिंग है, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन होता है. ठीक है देन आप ऐसे एक्सप्लेन करोगे. मैं चाहूँगी इससे इम्प्रूव करो. ठीक है ओके बाकी ऑल द बेस्ट और अच्छे से करो.